everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a product that has been quite the talk in the skincare world, Lancôme's Génifique Ultimate Dual Recovery Face Serum. This serum promises to tackle fine lines, uneven skin tone, rough texture, and even boost skin plumpness. Plus, it features some powerful ingredients like beta-glucan and hyaluronic acid. So does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about the Génifique Ultimate Dual Recovery Face Serum. It's designed for all skin types and claims to soothe, strengthen, and repair the skin barrier while accelerating skin surface renewal. The serum is unscented, making it a great option for those with sensitive noses or who prefer fragrance-free products. The key ingredients here are beta-glucan and hyaluronic acid. Beta-glucan is known for its ability to boost the skin's natural defense system, reducing redness and irritation. Hyaluronic acid, on the other hand, draws moisture into the skin, helping to keep it plump and hydrated. Together, they promise a smoother, more radiant complexion, and who doesn't love that? Now, let's get into my experience with it. I've been using this serum for a few weeks, and I have to say, the texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin, which is great for both morning and evening routines. I've applied it after cleansing and before my moisturizer, and it feels like my skin just drinks it up. The best part? It leaves no greasy residue. My skin feels immediately hydrated, and over time, I've noticed a smoother, more even texture. When it comes to performance, I tested it under different conditions, on days when my skin felt particularly dry or irritated, as well as on those days when I was dealing with a bit of texture. What stood out to me is how well it helps with skin texture. I've noticed a significant improvement in the smoothness of my skin, especially in areas where I usually get rough patches. Let's break it down with some pros and cons. On the positive side, the Génifique Ultimate Dual Recovery Face Serum does what it promises. It hydrates deeply, helps smooth out rough patches, and over time, my skin looks noticeably brighter. Plus, I love that it's unscented, which is a big win for sensitive skin. The formula feels luxurious without being heavy, which is a rarity in anti-aging serums. On the flip side, one downside I noticed is the price. It's definitely on the higher end of the spectrum. While you're getting a high-quality product, it might not be budget-friendly for everyone. Also, if you have very oily skin, I can see how the extra hydration from this serum could be a bit much, though I didn't have that issue personally. Now, when it comes to value for money, I'd say it's justified if you're looking for an anti-aging serum that tackles multiple concerns at once. If you're looking to invest in a product that offers hydration, smoother skin, and anti-aging benefits, this is definitely worth considering. However, if your budget is more limited, there are alternative serums with similar ingredients, like those with hyaluronic acid, that might suit your needs without the hefty price tag. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and elegant, as you'd expect from Lancôme. The pump dispenser is great for dispensing just the right amount of product without any mess. You're also getting a decent amount of product in the bottle, and it seems to last a while, even with daily use. In terms of longevity, I've been using it for a few weeks, and I've definitely noticed visible improvements. As for its long-term effects, I'm optimistic based on the early results, but as with any skincare product, consistency is key. If you're looking for overnight results, this probably isn't it, but over time, it really does deliver smoother, more radiant skin. I didn't have any direct experience with Lancôme's customer service, but the brand has a solid reputation for handling inquiries. I've read positive reviews about their responsiveness, which is always a good sign. If you're considering alternatives, there are definitely some more affordable options that offer similar benefits. Brands like The Ordinary or Neutrogena have some great serums with hyaluronic acid that can hydrate and smooth without breaking the bank. That said, if you're looking for a luxurious, well-formulated serum with high-end ingredients, Lancôme is a great option to consider. To sum up, if you're looking for an anti-aging serum that provides hydration, smooths out skin texture, and helps improve fine lines, I think Lancôme's Génifique Ultimate Dual Recovery Face Serum is a solid choice. The price might not be for everyone, but if you're willing to invest in your skin's health, the results are definitely there. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Link to purchase can be found in the comments or description box.